Okay, so I belong to the state of Odisha, and so basically, I completed my BTech from National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, which is considered to be one of the best engineering institutes in India. Thereby, after completing my BTech, I got placed in Oracle Financial Services, and I've been working as a senior consultant there for the past 5 years. So I basically work on the bank domain, and my work revolves around. I have a techno-functional kind of a role, so that involves development as well as talking to the clients, gathering requirements, working on documentations, and performing QA and testing of the product as well. The reason for pursuing MBA was that there was a stagnancy that was creeping into the work. So basically, spending 5 years in the same domain and being familiar with the work, so I needed a change in that aspect. And why SP Jain? It's again because it has a unique educational method. It's unlike any other institute in India, wherein they focus on the personal aspect of a student. They have programs wherein you work in a socially backward area with NGOs, and you work on a project. And then they have excellent international immersion programs with one of the best B schools in the US. And they have a renowned list of professors with them. So basically, all of these reasons encouraged me to apply for SPGen. So the application journey basically started with me trying to find out what all is needed for the application. And once I got through the application form and I went through it, through all the essay topics that were needed, I realized that I need certain kind of help with these, because there's one thing to know what you write, but there's one thing to know how to present it, the way that MBA or a B school wants it to be seen. So I took Gyanvan's help in that aspect, and Gyanvan has the main reason for choosing Gyanvan was that they have a 100% track record when it comes to SPGen, and they're the only educational service in India who provide help with SPGen applications. So that is one of the most important reason for choosing Gyanvan. So basically, in this coming year, I want to have as much knowledge about business in general as much as possible. And I have chosen my specialization as information management. So I want to learn about the digital disruptions and the innovations that are happening around. And post MBA, my ambition is to go into a big consultancy firm and go as higher as you can there.